Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For those of you guys who are new, thanks so much for stopping. My name is Sarah, and today, as you can see, I'm outside because I'm here at the tiny home show happening in Ancaster, Ontario, and it's actually quite amazing what's happening over here. So there's about 20 trailer homes that are stationed here at these fairgrounds, and I've always been super interested on what tiny homes look like, what it's like to experience living in one. So I thought I would take you guys on a tour with me to check some of these cabins out. Let's go and take a look. So this is actually really neat because usually in tiny homes and cabins and trailers you get to see the final product, but here you can actually see what it looks like completely empty, like what it is as a shell, and you get to really visualize how big or small the space can be. So it's pretty cool. About tiny homes and the amazing talented architects and planners is that they always think about light. And as you can see in this one specifically, there's a bunch of windows everywhere. You don't feel at all that you're in a restrictive space because you have so much natural light coming in. You just feel like you're living in the wild, basically. You're in one with nature. You're not in a small house, you know, like sometimes it's better, the function and the space is better utilized in these homes than they are in subdivision homes. It can turn into a 2-in-1 office / dining area, which is really cool. So you want a house? There's some that are being sold for less than $50,000. So basically you have these homes that you can put on lots and they make housing affordable and they're really cool. So let's come check it out. The ceiling is cladded in wood. You have shiplap everywhere. There's huge window, doors. If you're a very minimalistic type of person and you love being outdoors and you don't want a mortgage on your head, especially with these increasingly high interest rates, then, you know, you can make do with something like this. The biggest question that I had from people was how comfortable is it in the Canadian weather, because it gets really cold here, and the biggest misconception or myth is it properly insulated, is it sustainable? So what are your thoughts on that?
It is. Well, these houses are made for Canadian weathers.
Oh, they are.
And they are tested and proved, and there's people living in it all year long in northern Canada, northern Quebec, northern Ontario, and it's meant to last 40-50 years.
So if someone who's ready to take the jump on a tiny home, what are the three main benefits that you can sell to them?
Reducing your footprint.
Okay.
Having more time and money because it's easy to clean and you not have nothing to take care of. It's because it's such a small house. And being free.
Being free,
if
right.
you don't like your neighbor, you just take it and bring it somewhere else.
Thanks so much for talking to us. We're going to take a tour of your beautiful little space here. Right. Over here you have a dining area, and I think this is one of the few tiny homes that have a proper a seating. You know, you can at least seat 4 people in here. And the best thing is that there's storage hidden underneath these benches. So this drawer that's over here. You have another drawer that's over there. You have a double sink kitchen, which is pretty awesome. If you love cooking and you're into that, then you know, this is gonna treat you really well. I hope you guys had a good time touring some of these tiny homes with me. As you saw, there were so many, and everyone had a unique, you know, feature that they were showing, and just really trying to make you understand that tiny home living doesn't mean that you have to strip away everything of your life. It's just a better, more sustainable way of thinking and living for the future. And also people who are really into just traveling from one place to another. Most of these trailers were portable. You could take them from one location to another. So that's something that, you know, helps you not just stay in one place forever. If you want to go camping, traveling, all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful tour with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.